Want a chance to win the ultimate home business setup so that you can bring your e-commerce business to life? Shopify has teamed up with Elgato and EffyDesk to give you a chance to win everything that you need to jumpstart your dream business. The grand prize winner is going to get a Macbook Pro, a 1-year Shopify subscription, and free consultation from a Shopify expert. The lovely people over at Elgato are also going to give the winner a microphone, a mic arm, a webcam, a ring light, a keyboard, a mouse, and a headset. And as if that's not enough, the winner is also going to receive a business office desk and an Aery Chair courtesy of EffyDesk. Your business could even get featured on an official Shopify YouTube video. And Shopify will even throw in some free swag like a hoodie, shirt, and more. That is one epic prize. At Shopify, we believe anyone, anywhere can be an entrepreneur. But sometimes a little boost helps, and this giveaway aims to give one lucky winner everything that they need to start, manage, and grow their online business. To enter the giveaway, simply click this link on screen or in the description box below and complete all 3 of the following steps. Subscribe to the Learn with Shopify YouTube channel, sign up for our newsletter, and refer a friend. It is that simple. We started this YouTube channel with the goal of helping ambitious people unlock independence by starting and growing an online business. Join the giveaway today by clicking this link and completing all 3 of the entry options. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, sign up for our newsletter, and spread the word to your friends for a chance to win big. Let's help small businesses thrive in 2021.